Yeah, g'day again. Someone out there was asking for what components I use and how it was actually wired up. Just a quick video on how it's wired up. I'll just leave that there for a second. The coil, looking from the top, is all wound clockwise. I found that a pancake coil worked the best for the small winding, the L1 winding. That has about a 2mm center in it of copper, multi-strand, and the diode that I'm running is a 4007 ultra fast diode, a TIP31 transistor. The capacitor is a 4000 microfarad 75 volter, and the L2, which is a larger winding, was just 0.53, the one that I use, but works with a few different sizes. But I've done two different coils, one at 800, one at 1150. And what I discovered too, which made life a bit simpler, was a computer fan plug, and that plugs straight onto the transistors. That made life a bit easier, just simply unplugs. But that's what I'm using at the moment. Sorry about that, won't focus. But yeah, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.